So early in the morning breakfast here at where? Peanut Island. So we spent over the night and we hit bottom a few times because the tide here goes really low, and I was a little scared sleeping, thinking we were gonna really, you know, get stuck. But the tide goes down here a lot. I say about 4 feet or more. It's a big difference. So plus I'm not familiar with the area, but yep, here once again it's great to have breakfast here at a different spot, Peanut Island. You like it, sleepy boy? You like it? You like it? She already had her morning coffee that I couldn't record because I don't know, my camera went dead. My camera went dead. I guess I must have left it on. So let me enjoy my little breakfast here. I have to eat my breakfast inside because it's kind of hot early in the morning here. So I guess I'm not the only spoiled one. It's too hot outside, right? Yeah. Supposed to be in the AC. I used to have a motorhome. We used to go camping a lot, and this reminds me of a motorhome on the water. Oh, we got another one. Can't take the heat outside. And Gabby, what's the best thing you like about this boat? The bed. How did I know that? The bed, huh? She spends half of the day laying down. It's about 8:30, and only I guess the morning boats are here, but no beach people and the campers. But I'm not near the campsite, so we're just here hanging out with the first ones to the north side. So this is the north side of the island. This has semi sand, semi rock, but I like this side. We normally come here. It's my second time here. Hopefully we'll walk around again today and see what's happening here at Riviera Beach, Peanut Island. We moved spots though, because I didn't record it, but we actually got beached. We were bottomed out because the tide here goes down, like I said before, a lot. I estimate like 4 feet. It's a big difference. And since, like I said, I don't know the area, I almost bottomed out. Everybody was pushing and I was going full force reverse. But we got out though, but I didn't record it. And now we moved at I guess at the northeast side of the island. This is the actual sandbar right there. I don't know if it was just people at the boat show or doing something else, but it's a lot. It ain't that many people here. Last time I was here, there was a lot of people here. Well, it was Memorial Weekend too, but maybe that makes a difference. So I guess it's gonna be a quiet day here hanging out at Peanut Island. Are you guys gonna walk to the beach? There we go.
Where's the dog? I'll walk him. I just want you to carry him in the water.
Want to carry him? Come on.
It's fine. I just got it in my eyeball.
I got you in your eyeballs.
I got the water in my eyeball.
One thing I do notice here though, everybody's really friendly. When I came in, they helped me in anchor twice. So that's pretty nice. Everybody's friendly, everybody says hi. And I met a few fans here. It was nice talking to them and they recognized me because of the boat. So let's go exploring. If you guys know something familiar in this video, in this island, in this area right here,
Only OGs know.
if you follow me from the beginning, you're gonna figure out what it is. I want you guys to comment on the bottom.
To do with that area over there.
I want you guys to go ahead and comment on the bottom and see what's familiar in this section
No, but I'm
right
missing,
here.
I'm missing something though.
What are you missing?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I gotta text you when I figure it out.
But
What?
look at this area right. Oh yes, there's one object missing. But if you guys could figure it out, comment on the video below. Spokesmodel for the park. She's a spokesmodel for the park, Peanut Island. Do you like peanuts?
Yes, I do.
All right, so we're here at Boca Chica. We're here at Peanut Island. Having a good day today. So we're the east side of the island now. This is the, I guess, the beach side. The water's nice. You're gonna test out the water?
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, this is the thing I was telling you guys, is the water here is crystal clear. Look at, Julie went in the water too. Where you thought you were going? I guess he got confused. Water here is super clear. Yeah, I guess it's a relaxing day here. And not many people here today. So I guess they put these rocks here so the current doesn't take the sand and blocks off the waves, I guess. Because the current here is heavy. Oh my God, it's pretty cool here. And that's the inlet there where we came in and we're leaving. It's not that bad, guys. If you're from Miami, we went off of a haulover and it took us an hour and 45 minutes. Wasn't bad. We were cruising at 35. How are you doing with Yuli?
Watch, he knows how to swim. Ready, go.
Don't get him wet. You got Yuli wet. Alright, let's go grab some lunch.
She likes it. Ramen noodles.
Oh, the ramen noodles are small. So there you go, guys. If you want to come hang out at Peanut Island, you could, because there's the ferry that comes back and forth. I don't know where it comes out from, but there's a ferry just arrived. It brings about, I guess, 30 people at once. That's pretty cool. Alright, so it's time to grab some lunch. Some lunch. Alright, so it's lunchtime. Let's see what we're having today. What are we having? Ta-da, ta-da! Yes! My favorite pork chops in La Casa. Is that your favorite?
Huh?
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Pork chops, yes. Oh, we're missing some sausages, but we ate it yesterday, so we got no sausages today. Yes. Oh, I gotta show you something that I found. Look at that. 3 sausages. Hey. That's the routine. Pork chops and sausages. On the boat. Right, man, and a Capri Sun. Is that spiked?
It's Kool-Aid.
Oh, it's Kool-Aid. Well, it's Capri, the same thing.
Capri Sun.
So we're here, waiting to have lunch, and we're heading out pretty soon because we got a 2-hour drive. So we're just enjoying the day here. If there's any more people at the sandbar, let me check. No, it's about, I don't know, 20, 25 boats. I guess I'm used to how lower sandbar is, like I'm 300, 400 boats, but it's nice though, it's relaxing. It's a relaxing day. Here am I. And we got the pizza guy. That's pretty cool. All over doesn't have that. Pizza boat. That's pretty cool. Pizza.
Pizza.
So, sausage and pork chop. Peanut Island.
Gaby,
Can't forget the rice.
¿quieres el hueso este? Ven. Dime, ¿con los huesos?
And you gotta eat like a caveman.
Huh?
You gotta eat like a caveman. I'm gonna knife.
Here. Dame, yo te pico, ¿cómo lo quiero picarte un momentito?
Yeah, everybody parks around the island. That's my next adventure. Renting one of those. Always wanted to do that. And you guys? Yes, you're coming along too. Ah, you can't fall, just wear a life vest. That's cool. Yeah, sure. be a Bimini simulated run, and it actually turned out to be like a Bimini simulated run because it got really choppy now. I guess it's 3 to 4, so I don't know. I guess the wind picked up, so it's gonna be a rough ride home.